next story is very special to us here at Griffin's Tale. We perform it in every school. It is the title of our show, and it is called Cats and Dogs by Kiera Roth from Lincoln Elementary. Hi there, I'm Kiera, leader of the dogs.
I'm Ginny, leader of the cats. Watch this. Doorbell!
Oh yeah? Laser pointer? Cats are the most annoying in the world.
Cats are better than dogs are better than cats are better than dogs. Cats are better than dogs are better than cats are better than dogs. Cats are better than dogs are better than cats are better than dogs.
Wait. I think the only way we can settle this is a vote. Raise your hands if you like cats more.
Now raise your hand if you like dogs more.
I think cats won.
Wait a moment. What if we're both wrong? Maybe we should, thank you. Maybe we should put aside our differences and be best friends.